my feet can get so sweaty. But these Allbirds Tree Loungers, they're a total game changer. The breathable, silky smooth fabric keeps my feet cool and dry all day. These are my go-to indoor shoes. I wear them all day around the house. They're lightweight, cushioned, and seriously comfortable, even when I'm working on those long days. I go sockless and I just slip them right on. They're so easy. They do run small. I'm normally an 11, but I sized up to a 12, and the fit is perfect. And these are due for a cleaning, so when they need a refresh, just pop out the insoles and toss them in the wash. They're also structured enough to run errands outside too. Comfortable, breathable. These tree loungers are everything that I want in an everyday shoe.